Today I will show how to buy shares of B&M European Value Retail SA, a UK-based discount retailer with stores across Europe. It is listed on LSE plc under the ticker BME.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so please do your own research. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account to make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BME.L to locate the correct listing. Select the result that clearly shows B&M European Value Retail SA on the London Stock Exchange. On the asset page, review the company summary and basic information, check the price chart, and confirm the listed exchange and ticker to ensure this is the right share. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, review any fees and order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order is filled, the position will appear in your portfolio. For quick access to the platform used in this guide, find the link in the video description.